In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set face recognition in Zoho People. Face recognition is typically used to add an extra layer of verification during attendance tracking. When it is enabled, employees may be prompted to verify their identity when they check in or check out, depending on the platforms you choose. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to Zoho People with access to administrative settings, because this option is managed from the system configuration area. To get started, go to the top right corner of your Zoho People screen and click Settings. This is where you control the main setup options for your account, including attendance rules and tracking requirements. Once you are in Settings, look for the Configuration section and select Attendance. Attendance settings are where you define how check-ins and check-outs work for your organization, including any validations that happen during the process. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area, since Zoho People has several configuration categories, and the attendance options are grouped under their own section. Next, open the check-in and check-out settings. This is the specific place where Zoho People manages the rules for starting and ending a work session. The face recognition option is located inside these check-in and check-out controls because it affects the moment a user records their attendance. Now, scroll down until you find the face recognition section. Since these pages can contain multiple settings, scrolling is often required. Move slowly so you do not miss the face recognition area. When you see face recognition, choose where you want it to be required by checking the box for web, mobile, or kiosk. Select web if you want face recognition to apply when people check in from a browser. Select mobile if you want it to apply inside the mobile app. Select kiosk if you use a shared device for on-site attendance. Only enable the platforms that match how your team actually checks in and out, so the experience stays consistent and practical. After you have selected the appropriate options, your face recognition requirement is set for those platforms within Zoho People attendance. And that is all there is to it.